In a grand celebration held in Edo, two of Japan's greatest Zen masters were set to engage in a verbal battle, what was known as a Dharma combat. These masters, one a seasoned monk from Tibet, and the other a Zen master from Korea, had never met before, though their traditions were centuries apart. The hall was packed with scholars, monks, and students who had traveled from far and wide to witness this historic encounter. The audience sat in anticipation, whispering about the brilliance of these great minds. The younger Zen master from Korea, known for his challenging questions, was to begin. With a mischievous glint in his eye, he reached inside his robes and pulled out an orange. He held the orange up high and asked, "What is this?" The crowd fell silent, eagerly awaiting the Tibetan master's response. The Tibetan master, calm and unshaken, sat still, not responding immediately. He quietly began to finger his mala, murmuring softly under his breath. The younger Zen master insisted, "What is this? What is this?" He held the orange closer to the Tibetan monk, practically placing it under his nose. Finally, the Tibetan master leaned toward the translator sitting next to him and whispered something. The translator, speaking to the crowd, repeated the Tibetan monk's words. "Rinpoche says, what is the matter with him? Don't they have oranges where he comes from?" The debate ended in an unexpected way. The younger monk had thought his question was clever, but the Tibetan monk's answer, though simple, cut through the layers of intellectual pretense. The Tibetan master's answer was simple, yet profound: the orange was just an orange. Sometimes, we overcomplicate things, looking for deep meaning in questions that are simply meant to be lived and experienced. In the end, the Zen master taught everyone that wisdom isn't always about intellectual battles or complex answers. Sometimes, it's about seeing things as they are, without overanalyzing or adding layers of unnecessary complexity.